Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a Blue Yeti microphone sound much better. These will be easy steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Once again, this will be a tutorial with easy steps showing you and telling you specifically how to make a Blue Yeti microphone sound better. Let's get into this. There are 5 easy steps that I'm going to go over, and I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet, so let's get into this instructional video. Step number 1 for making your Blue Yeti sound better. Step number 1 is to choose the right setting, and if you're in doubt, choose the cardioid setting. So step 1 is choose the right setting, and if you're in doubt, choose the cardioid setting. I'm going to turn it around. You can see right here on the back end of it, there are different settings that you can choose from, okay? And they call it pattern, but essentially it's how the microphone picks up the audio around it. So you're going to choose the right setting for whatever you are doing with the microphone. And if you're in doubt, honestly, one of the best settings that you can choose is the cardioid setting. It's honestly just like the good go-to setting for most situations. Yeah, but look up the settings and see which one works best for you. And if you're in doubt, just choose the cardioid setting and you should be okay. Okay, so that's fix number 1. And if that's solution number 1 for making the Blue Yeti sound better. And if that doesn't help you out, then you're going to move on to solution number 2. And solution number 2 is to talk towards the front of the microphone, not the top of the microphone. So you want to talk towards the front of the microphone, not the top. So this is the front of the microphone. You want to make sure you're looking at this over here and talking right towards the front of it. Don't talk into the top of it. That's not how it's designed. Talk towards the front of it. It'll sound much better, okay? And if that doesn't help you out or you want to get an even better sound, move on to fix number 3. And fix number 3 is to plug in headphones into the microphone so you can hear what you sound like and improve based on that. So if you take a look at the bottom here, you can see that there is indeed a headphone jack. You can plug in headphones here and you can listen to what you sound like. And then when you know what you sound like, you can improve based on that. So you can use that as a baseline and then improve based on that, okay? If that doesn't help you out, if you want even better sound, move on to fix number 4. And fix number 4 is to eliminate outside noises. So once again, fix 4 is to eliminate as many outside noises as possible. Outside noises are going to hurt your sound. You want to eliminate them as much as possible. Obviously, you can't get rid of all outside noises, but you want to just reduce them as much as possible. That's fix number 4. And last but not least is fix number 5. Fix number 5 is to dial in your computer's audio recording settings properly. So on your computer, you're probably connecting this to your computer and using your computer to record the audio, and you're going to have some settings that you can choose on your computer, and you want to dial in those settings properly, and that will hopefully help you get the best audio quality possible from your Blue Yeti microphone. And that's basically it with regards to how to make a Blue Yeti microphone sound better, specifically the easy steps that I've gone over in this tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet, and hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.